The Hopkinton Public Library Foundation hosted the annual Touch a Truck event. A huge turnout was on hand to check out the trucks, enjoy the food, and have some fun while supporting the Hopkinton Public Library.
Hopkinton Touch a Truck today. We're selling lots of stuff from Bird's Nest Italian street food. We have a couple of sliders, meatball, chicken parm sliders, mozzarella sticks, spinach artichoke bites, fried raviolis, and mac and cheese bites. Am I forgetting anything?
No, you got it.
No, so that's what we're serving up here today, hot and fresh. Come touch a truck and grab some of our food. Italian street food, Bird's Nest.
So this is a Humvee. This is our tactical vehicle that we use in the field. We're here today showing it off, getting some pictures with the kids, having a good time.
That's terrific. It looks like there was a great turnout here today and a lot of interest in this really cool Humvee you got here.
Yes, very. A lot of soldiers we're gonna have. Future.
Seems like it went really well. A ton of trucks and lots of crowds, and the rain held off mostly, and we're very happy.
Excellent. And for those that don't know, can you talk about what the money's going towards?
The money, event is put on by the Hopkinton Public Library Foundation, and we are an organization that supports programming, and we helped with the renovating of the library, and now we do things to support library programming and other things that they need help with that isn't covered in the budget.
We've got ladder one over here. One of our primary pieces goes through a majority of our calls. It's got a 100-foot ladder on top. It's got a pump on it so that we can do a lot of work really fast. We can pull up to a car fire with this. We can pull up to a building fire with this. We can pull up to a car accident with this. We have all our extrication tools on here. So this is a jack of all trades truck. We've had it for about 2 years and we're really happy with it. It's great to be able to show it off to the community today because, it's their truck. So, they should know what's on it and that we're here to help.
Absolutely. It looks like you might have a bunch of young firefighters in the making over here today.
Oh, we certainly do. We certainly do.
You having a good time? Yeah. What's your favorite truck here?
The bus.
Bus. The school bus? Very nice. What do you think of this fire truck? Pretty cool, huh?